Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. So this is Kumar, your friend, with another review of a decent, very good college, in Shimoga. So you can consider it as a decent college, with respect to placement infrastructure and other thing. And a lot of students who take lower end colleges in Bangalore, I will suggest you take this college, which has called everything best in terms of facilities or infrastructure. So let's start this review, and this is the best college in Shimoga. So as I said, this is a big campus they have, and this college was started in 1980. So this is already old college with 40 acres of campus, and a lot of good grounds and playgrounds are there, right? In terms of a library infrastructure, all are very good. The hostel for boys, girls, and 100 plus companies have visited this college, right? So the number of companies which are visiting and the offers are already increasing. So I'll come to detailed placement analysis of this college, and where you will see the the company wise the students place and the branch wise placement. So that will be very good. And the students who don't know about the Shimoga is in the part of the central of Karnataka, I would say, and it's near to both Hubli as well as the other, which is Mangalore, right? And this is now about the college. College is got the 48th rank within the India, on based on the Outlook India Today. They have given 34th rank and 7th in Karnataka. So many places they have been rated quite well. And from the government side, it is a NAC B institute. So that is there. But this is a quite decent. Companies are visiting the campus, and getting a good number of offers rolled out for the students. So let's see. Coming to the admission process, so as you know, this is the college in Karnataka. So 45% of the seats to be filled by KCET, which you, and 30% through COMEDK, and the last 25% of the seats are for management quota. And then another addition, more than this, 10% is also for the diploma students, and 5% seats are for superannuary students, and a few seats are for the Jammu and Kashmir students. So let's see some of the infrastructure details, right? Like this is this building library, right? So you can understand it's a modern infrastructure within that 40 acres campus. So your lifestyle and the facility perspective, this I would say it's a quite good library. In many colleges in Bangalore doesn't have this type of good infrastructure. This is the hostel facilities for students. So there's a boys as well as girls hostel, 4 boys hostel, 2 girls hostel, total 744 plus 450. That means around 1200 300 students can stay in the hostel, so they don't have any problem with that. Now coming to the sports facility, like they have every for a student life, you should have this good, there is every sports in the campus, and volleyball, throwball, and rest of the indoor facilities are also there. So just to so that you can see some of the pictures of this, how big and magnanimous campus it is, right? So the lifestyle wise, it is good for students as well as academic wise. Placement wise is what I'm going to cover after this, and the cutoff also, right? So these are just a few pictures to give you idea total, so that you don't have any doubt in your minds with respect to. And they have transportation available for city students. They have canteens and all of them, like medical center, everything in the campus. So there's nothing which is old fashioned, as everything is good. And they have a very good tie up with the industry companies, right, where they go for different academic projects and internships, right? So that way this MOU helps. And they have, for example, Cisco, right, chess, and very many institute also they have that connect, right? So that is basically helping them to increase the placements, right, which I'm just going to start on some time. So now coming to the courses which are offered and the capacity, right? So these are the courses UC can see CSC is 120, EC is 120, ISC is 120. So you get very good chances of these 3 top branches, 360 seats. And then many branches, like others are there, but I will suggest only if you go to this college, you go with only these 3 branches: computer science, information science, electronics. Others placement will be low or very very low. So don't get into those. Otherwise choose other different other colleges available, right? Now coming from the cutoff, this is again given by the college itself. So this is for the KCET. So KCET, you can see computer science branch started at 3000 rank, and last rank was 19,000. So it is after 3 rounds, but in the first round it will be around 12 to 15,000. So your first round cutoff of CSE will be 12 to 15,000. Similar information science around 18,000 to 20,000, and and other like ECE will be around 20,000, 25,000. So the first round, but this is the final after last extended rounds, right? And this is and I also covered, a lot of students says, why do you only cover general students? So this is about the superannuary quota, which is SNQ, right? For students, who there is a 5% reservation for deserving students who are from the below poverty line background, right? And then they can, so this is for them, this is the SNQ quota, these are the cutoff. So you can go through this, but my general point is that you can take only computer science, information science, and electronics mostly. That will be comfortable. And students outside of Karnataka, right, they also can get through COMEDK mode. And here also you can see the computer science started with first rank 9,800 and it went up to 40,000. So last round, this is the last round cutoff. So in the last round, when I call it exclusive round, which you saw last year, you can get up to 40,000 CSC and 42,000 ISC. So this is a very good decent college. You can get a computer science and all, but it at very low this thing. Now coming to the fee structure, right? So fee structure is as fixed by the government, 65,000 plus college fee 27,000. And so that is how the standard CET fee structure is. And for if you are looking for any transportation or those things, then this is a transportation fee which is mentioned. Otherwise, students who are coming from other places will easily get accommodation, because the total number of hostel facilities and all are is around 1250 capacity, right? So which is much more enough, right? Now coming to the fee structure, right, for the COMEDK mode. So the COMEDK mode, again you see computer science is 1.43, so this is much less than 2.1, which is a standard COMEDK fees, as well as information science 1. So you are seeing a lot of colleges are now not taking 2.1 lakhs fees, because there is a lack of students because of the COVID situation. So they have lowered the fees, so you can get this college also at the lower fees. So this is the best advantage. Now coming to most important, why you are here, and this is about the number of offers. So the number of offers has increased, and you can see from 2015, it has gone to 2,388, but again last year it was around 300 plus. So 300, if you close to 300 students gets placed, mostly CSC, ISC, and the EC students. So that way you should be. A number of companies also visiting are also increasing, 52, and then this year I think 100 plus. And highest package was also 13 lakhs, so that is also quite good, and it has increased substantially. Now these are the companies which typically visit, and the breakup of the offers from these companies I'm going to cover in few minutes, right? So be stay tuned, right? And you can see good names are there: Tech Mahindra, Bosch, Cognizant, Infosys, and a few more like Emphasis you can see here. So Robosoft, right? So a lot of them are known, and some of them are non from IT also. So you have both the mix, which are visiting. Now placement statistics, around 300 students got jobs. So these are how the breakup of those 300 students. So you can see in this slide, TCS is the mass recruiter, 56 students at 3.434 lakhs. So and branch wise it is also given. So you can Robosoft 10 students. So it is good, quite good. Now, if you go to in this slide, you can see Infosys 17 students at 350. So Infosys is a mass recruiter here also, which is a quite good. Wipro 5 students, Wipro Next 4 students, so total 10 students in Wipro itself. PHV Software another 8 students. And if you come to this slide, you can see Sheg India Bangalore based 4 students, and FIS Global at a very good salary of 5.35 lakhs. So this is quite good, 5.35 lakhs and 13 students. So that shows that this college has got a good reputation in the minds of the placement companies, right? So 13 student at 5.35 lakh that's why I'm saying, reviewing this video, I thought it's quite good, and at least opportunities are there. Even you see Subex 5 lakhs, and you come to this page, you can see mass recruiter is Pentagon 20, but the salary is a little bit less. Q Spider 34, but the salary is little less, 2.4. But AEV you see 4 students at 6 lakhs. Here also you see Dower 1 student 6.5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Mass recruiter is 65 students got placed in ZWork. ODC, so that means this is a offshore development center of X work, and the number of students got placed is 65. The salary is little bit less, 2.4, but they have taken students from all the branches. Elkino Software another 30 students got space there, 2.4. So median salary is not very high for this college, but at least number of placements are high. So that means you get a job, right? Now further moving, you see in this Versio 23 students at 3 lakhs and Atra Infotech 7. So these are but the salary is 4.5 lakhs. So you can expect a decent salary here. One student at Techie at 7 lakhs and you can see the last line, right? Baiju, one student at 10 lakhs. So you can see in this batch at least 10 lakhs is the highest salary. Which is this is 2021, right? Cognizant 14 students at 4 lakhs. So all big companies are also coming here. Like Cognizant, you saw, Infosys, TCS, you saw. And apart from that, CGI 2 students, Emphasis 3 students, so Zensar 1. So companies are all their list based on how comfortable students are, they get the offer. So and you also see 6 lakh salary, 6 lakh 29,000 salary, 8 lakh salary. So you can see the top salaries are there, but a student should be there. And so if your rank is say 20,000 up to 20,000 KCT, and you are looking into your own region, right? So this is the college you can take for CSC. Other branches you can get up to 30,000, 35,000 rank. And if you're in Shimoga, please do take this. This is the best college there. So hopefully this information was good. Please do subscribe and like the videos, and please do share the videos also. Thank you. Take care.